It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Godspeed, John Glenn.
Hey, good morning everyone. I'm Ignace Aleya and today I'm here with Arnaud. He's currently getting the car fixed over there. But we actually have a quite cool project going on in cooperation with P1 Coating, which is actually a coating for supercars, which is a spray paintable coat. Anyway, this video has not been sponsored, but we just wanted to make a little vlog of all the behind the scenes of the project because it's gonna be really cool. We're gonna drive to Switzerland, film there a Ferrari and all the necessary things for this commercial video that we're going to do for P1 Coating. And I just wanted to take you guys with us just to see what happens behind the scenes, how we are going to tackle things. And yeah, it's quite loud here, but as you also know, recently we have the Champions League going on and Belgium is also playing. So what we'll do, what they did to support is actually paint a flag on their car. So
yes, it's very important.
Alright, so now we're gonna put everything in the trunk of the car and let's go.
This here, I think that those you need to put on top.
The biggest problem of being a filmmaker when you're gonna travel with a car is the trunk space. We have a bunch of gear, lights, drone, cameras, tripods, stabilizers. Getting everything in the trunk can be a hassle. Alright, so how is it going?
Good.
Good?
First their stuff and then everything on top.
Okay, I'll help you out. Alright, so we're actually going to take this trip with 4 people. Let me introduce you to them. Alright, so here we have Sebastian.
Hey guys.
Are you gonna drive a car?
No, Herman.
No, Herman. Okay, so let me introduce you to Herman. Here we have Herman. Oh, you're right here.
Hello guys.
So we're going to do this trip together and I think it will be a lot of fun, huh? Or no?
Yeah, certainly.
Yes, let's go.
I'm excited.
It's a beautiful car. 350 horsepower, so...
Okay, Siri, forget any nicknames. Just call me by my name.
Sorry, bitch. I don't see your contacts.
Okay. Sorry. Siri, no more nicknames. Just Sebastian.
You're bitch.
Ja, dat kun je niet meer afleren.
Kom aan.
Oh boy.
Dat verzin je toch niet.
Okay, Siri, just delete my nickname.
Okay, what would you like me to call you?
Anything else?
You would like me to call you anything else?
No.
Okay, I'll keep calling you bitch.
Alright, so we just arrived in Germany. We're actually going to Switzerland tomorrow in the morning. We're waking at 6, but we took Germany because it's actually a little bit cheaper for the hotels. So tomorrow we're gonna do a little drive. Tonight it's gonna be all about discussing the project and kind of just chilling, you know? Very nice people of this project. Really enjoy the time we spent with them in the car. We were 6 hours together, just talking all the time. So that means you're off with a good start.
Yeah, they were really inspirational. It was crazy, yeah?
The stories these men had to tell that made me realize I'm quite young and still have a
to
lot of
learn a lot.
experience to learn. Yeah, so
Certainly.
tonight we're just going to grab something to eat and then probably head off to the bar.
Yeah, probably. Where we started.
Alright, so day 2 we arrived at the location in Switzerland and let's start shooting! Alright, so we're driving a 488 Spider. How awesome is this? Alright, so the shooting day is finished. We did a ton of footage and everything went a little bit slower than expected, but it was a really great day. I drove an amazing car, photographed it for quite a while, which is also pretty cool. I really love cars, so being able to work with them is just amazing for me. And then apart from that, the personalities that we're actually working with, the company that we're working for, the 2 people that are running that business, they are so awesome personality-wise. More on that later. Okay, so apparently they won here in Germany with the Champions League today.
I don't know who exactly won.
Film it. Film. Alright, so today we actually ended up in the same hotel. It was a very long day. And yesterday we also ended up sleeping only 2 hours. So that's not that much. Hopefully we'll get some more today.